morning, student. Today we are taking next chapter, that is chapter number 4, Tux Paint. In previous class, you already learned about the Tux Paint software, what is mean by Tux Paint, how it is used. You also do the practical on Tux Paint. So in the previous class, we learn about the different types of tools, that is paint tool, line tool, and the main magic tool. In this magic tool, there are many sub tools are there, like grass tool, rainbow, grass effect, rainbow effect, and then flower effect, stamp. These different type of effects are learned with the help of magic tool. So today we take this chapter and go through the next tools which you are learn about the with the help of this chapter. So see this video. This video is cover different type of tools are there, then different types of effects this chapter is covered. So see this video carefully. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment box.
Hello children, welcome back to Tux Paint. I hope you remember me and the topics which we have learnt in the previous class. Let us have a quick review about the tools we have learnt till now. We have learnt how to use the paint, freehand drawing tool along with various brush shapes, lines tool to draw beautiful patterns, and have also tried our hands at some magical effects using the magic tool. We have also learned how to save our work as well as open an already saved file. Let us learn more about Tux Paint and its wonderful tools. First, we shall talk about the Shapes tool. This tool is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygonal shapes. The unique feature of this tool is rotation. We can also rotate the shapes by an angle on a 360-degree scale. Time for a fact file. Bill Kendrick is the lead developer and designer of Tux Paint. This software can be downloaded from... Did you know this fact? Tux Paint is translated in more than 85 languages. Many Indians have participated actively in the translation process of Tux Paint into the language of Indian origin. Let us learn how to draw various shapes using this tool. Let us draw a square at various angles. First, select the Shapes tool from the toolbox. Select Square from the sub-toolbox on the right-hand side. You can either choose a blank square or a filled square. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Select a point on the drawing area which will act as the center of the square. Now click and drag the mouse. Choose the desired size and release the left mouse button. When you have completed the square, read the instructions given by the penguin. Now you can see a spun arrow on the drawing area which is used to spin the image at any angle from the center point. Try spinning the arrow in any direction to spin the square. Once you are done, click in the drawing area to see the final image. Let us draw 4 different squares, shapes at various angles. Likewise, try your hand with other shapes as well. Okay students, take a note of this. There are 16 different shapes available in the sub-toolbox of the Shapes tool. Students, now let us do some recalling. Drawing flowers is no longer difficult. You can now make ready-made flowers of various colors using the flower magic effect. This sub-tool will draw curvy, stalked flowers. Now let us talk about the eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase unwanted parts of the picture. It is very easy to use. What you have to do is select the eraser tool from the toolbox. Select the desired shape of eraser from the sub-toolbox. Bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Click the left mouse button and drag the eraser to the area which you want to remove. Let us now find out about the new tool. We cannot work in a single file forever. We always make different files for different drawings. Once you save your previous work, you can open a new file using the new tool from the toolbox. Let us learn how to create a new file. Click on New Tool in the toolbox. You will get color boxes and starters to start a new drawing. Click on the down arrow button. Select any color or any of the frames. Click on Open button. Let us try our hand and select the green color box. After you click on Open button, you will find a blank screen with a green drawing area. Now you can draw anything in the drawing area. Since your canvas is green, you can use light colors like white, yellow, green or pink. Let us try our hand and create some new files with different background colors. Now let's know more. You can add more colors by clicking on the last option of the color palette. It is time to learn more magical effects. Now let us find what the drip magic is. What happens when you sprinkle drops of water on a drawing made with a sketch pen or a letter which is written using ink pen? The ink or colors will scatter and drip away like water. Similarly, this magic subtool gives a dripping effect to our drawing. Let us see how it works. Open a new file in Tux Paint. Select a green background. Select the text tool and write the following text. Hello, I am learning Tux Paint. Now select the magic tool and select drip effect from sub toolbox. Drag the magic wand over the text to add dripping effect to it. Check how the text changes after the drip effect. Students, now let us recall how the lines tool works. Select the lines tool and then select any pattern. Drag the pointer from one end to another and release the left mouse button. A line with the selected pattern will be drawn. Time for a fact file. Thousands of children across the globe submit their artwork made in Tux Paint. You can also draw beautiful drawings and send it to Bill at newbreedsoftware.com with your name, age and location. If your drawing is selected, it will be published on the Tux Paint. Alright, now we shall discuss about some more effects of Tux Paint. The Edges effect. It is a very unique feature in Tux Paint. We can differentiate the edges from any already drawn image. Let us see how it works. Click on the Shape tool and select any fill shape from the sub-tool box. Select the Magic tool and choose Edges from the sub-tool box. Using your magic wand, click and drag it over the entire picture. You will observe that the edges of the shape start appearing. Let us apply this effect to one of the stems and observe the changes. Let us have a quick quiz. Who is a lead developer of Tux Paint? Which word in Tux Paint helps you to know more about various tools? Now, we shall learn about the foam effect. You must have seen your mother washing your clothes. Whenever she adds washing powder to the water, you see a lot of foam. In the same way, this tool adds the foam effect wherever you want. We have an effect called the grass effect. To draw grass, you simply use the grass effect from the sub-toolbox to draw neat and tidy grass. I hope you remember the various paintbrush shapes that we have studied in the last class. Open a new file with white background. Select the Paint tool. Choose blue color and draw the river as shown in the figure. On your right hand side, scroll down till the end and select the vine shape from the sub-toolbox. Draw the upper part of a tree using vine tool at the right of your screen. To make it more beautiful, you can select a few colors and keep clicking to give a better look as shown in the figure. Now select Magic tool and select the grass effect. Draw some grass at the riverbed side as shown here. Select the Flower tool and draw flowers with different colors. Now select the Foam effect and draw some foam over the grass in some places.
Now, select the paint tool from the sub-toolbox. Choose the starfish shape.
Select brown color from the colors palette and draw a few starfish on the foam. Similarly, you can use many brush shapes and magic effects to draw beautiful pictures. Wow, what a beautiful picture you have drawn! Okay, let me share an interesting fact about Tux Paint. There are 47 different background colors or pictures with which you can start a new drawing in Tux Paint. Now let us learn another lovely tool, which is the rainbow and real rainbow effect. The rainbow effect draws a train of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area. And the real rainbow allows you to draw a rainbow that we see in the sky after a rainfall. Let us try both the effects. Select Magic Tool from the toolbox and the Rainbow effect from the sub-toolbox. Now place your magic wand anywhere in the drawing area and drag it to some other point. You will see a train of rainbow colors as you draw. Click on Undo button. Now select the real rainbow effect. Choose a single point on the drawing area. From that point, click and drag the mouse to a new location. You will see a rough sketch of the rainbow as you drag your mouse. As you reach the end point and release the left mouse button, you will see a real rainbow on your screen. Time for a fact file. Thousands of schools and universities have volunteered their services and joined the online community of Tux Paint to improve and promote it. Students, we have another effect called the noise effect. This effect is used to add white noise to our drawing. Sometimes while watching television, the TV signal suddenly disappears. At that time, you see thousands of blacks and gray dots on your screen with some noise. That is called the black noise. White noise is a mixture of gray, blue, maroon, and white dots. Students, did you know this fact? You can buy various merchandise of Tux Paint, ranging from t-shirts, hoodies, lunch boxes, and even magnetic stickers from the online store at http://www.cafepress.com/newbreedsw. Now let us know more. Tux Paint supports vector graphics, which means that you can draw images that can be zoomed up to 100 times their original size without compromising on the quality of the image. There is another effect known as the smudge effect. This effect is used when we draw water bodies in our drawing. This is used to mix two different objects smoothly. Let us draw a blue ball and a yellow ball close to each other. Assume that we have drawn them using wet paint. Now use the smudge effect to show how the balls will look if we join them from one end and form a new color. We have another effect which is known as Waves effect. This effect is used to wiggle any picture side to side. Let us use this effect. Open a new file with blue background. Select the paint tool and draw a filled curved structure as shown in the figure. Now select Magic tool and then select the Waves effect from the sub-toolbox. Read the instructions given by the penguin carefully. Now click on the screen to get the desired waves effect. Let us click at the bottom of the screen for taller waves. And finally, we have the wavelets effect. The wavelets effect wiggles your picture up and down vertical rather than side to side. Let us apply this effect to our picture. Undo the changes on your picture using the Undo button from the toolbox. Click on the wavelets effect. Read the instructions given by the penguin. Click on the top of the drawing area to add shorter waves to your drawing. Great! Now save your work. Okay, let's know more. Tux Paint will soon launch a new range of magic effects named Blind, Hexagon, Mosaic, Irregular Mosaic, Perspective, Puzzle, Rojbiv, Zoom, and many more. We have learned almost everything about the Tux Paint, its various tools and their sub-tools as well. Draw more pictures with new effects and ideas for better understanding of the tools. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Tux Paint is a free drawing program for children. Tux Paint has a very entertaining interface comprising of funny sound effects and a cartoon penguin that help us to learn more about various tools and subtools. Tux Paint is available in more than 85 different languages. Many Indians have also participated actively in the translation process of Tux Paint into the languages of Indian origin. There are various magical effects and paintbrush shapes in Tux Paint, using which we can draw beautiful pictures.
Student, hope you understand this chapter. If you not understand some effects, then you can see this video again and again. All the tools, subtool effects are so simple, and you can do the practice with the help of this software. This software is free. You can download with the help of tuxpaint.org website. So it is a free software. First install in your computer and you can practice on it. Okay. After this chapter, you have to solve the question answers on page number 35 and 36. Complete in your textbook and notebook both. Then after that, I will share a video of a practical session based on Tux Paint. So first complete that homework. After that, I will share the practical video. If you have any query, any doubt, comment in comment box. Thank you.